everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-step verification on Viber. Now, first you need to just open up your Viber app and then tap on the more icon at the bottom, tap on the settings option, and then after tapping on the settings option, next thing you need to do is click on or select privacy. Next, select the second option, which is two-step verification. Now, for added security, you should enable two-step verification by creating a PIN for your account. This PIN will be required when registering your phone number again. This feature of two-factor verification or authentication ensures that only you can set up a Viber account. So you can create a PIN by clicking on create a PIN code. Now here, to create a unique PIN for added security, this PIN will be required when registering your phone number again. So you put in a PIN. After creating a PIN, you click on next. Let's say my PIN is alright, then you click on next. You can confirm by putting in the PIN again. Make sure it's actually a real secured PIN. I just used it because it's not a real account, that's why I used fake PIN. So once you've done that, it's as simple as that. Your two-step verification has been enabled. So you need to enter your PIN when registering your phone number with Viber again. Now, if you want to change the PIN, you click on change PIN. Want to change email, and you want to disable, you click here. These three options is yours. As simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.